Hi, it's been a long time. Welcome
Yeah.
back to another video, guys.
Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time. Yeah, today is a new video and we are still same.
Guess where we are? So we are here in Sri Lankan, the restaurant.
Sri Lanka is next to India. It's a small island close to where I am from. I'm from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
And also they speak Tamil and Sinhalese. This chef, she's Sri Lankan, but
Yeah.
she's Sri Lankan
speaks Tamil,
yeah,
right?
she speaks also Tamil.
See, guys, I'm still learning.
Yeah, so we
It's-
came. Yeah, so we came here to this Sri Lankan restaurant. What is funny thing is the first time we both trying Sri Lankan food. Yes, this is very interesting. So I look at the menu and I ordered string hoppers, which is Idiyaapam and Puttu and Nandu curry and goat curry. So I can't wait to taste, guys.
This is gonna be awesome. This is first time too. I mean, we both love Indian food, but like he said, we can't wait to taste the food. You know, yeah. So this restaurant just opened here in San Antonio. We're here to give it a try and trying to share a good feedback with you guys. Yeah. So we're waiting for the food right now, and we can't wait to share that with you guys.
So this is vada. This is Idiyaapam.
Idiyaapam.
And this is a tengapam.
Wow, what was the name of the food again, baby?
So this is Idiyaapam.
Idiyaapam.
Yeah, this is Idiyaapam. She says it's a coconut sudi. Yeah.
Wow.
It's looking good. Ooh.
Ooh, what is that?
So, and also they have avada.
I think I might like it, that one. What is this?
Crab.
Honey?
Look at these guys. Crab curry.
Crab curry.
Uh-huh.
Wow, I never tried that before. I don't even know if I will try that. Oh my gosh.
Nandu curry.
Oh, that's how it comes?
Yeah, this it's like noodles. We call Idiyaapam.
Look at this. I thought it was like more stick to each other so that way you can just use a fork or something.
So these guys, nice. We put vada for you. I put vada for her. What else?
Sri Lankan style. More food still coming.
Yeah. Oh, goat curry.
Oh, goats. Okay.
இல்ல ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை சொல்லுங்க என்ன சொல்லுங்க No,
Yeah.
Sissy, it's spicy.
So guys, this is my favorite right here.
Goat curry.
I love goat curry.
Okay, let me show you one more
But
time.
when it comes to crab curry, I don't think I'll try that. So here's my favorite goat curry. You guys can see it looks totally different comparing to Indian style. I don't know if I will eat that. I will try, but I'm not a fan of crab curry. This is like a first time. So yes, look at this. This is really different, guys. Totally different. I've tried this because you did cooked one day, but this is like a Sri Lankan style.
So, first, which one you want to use?
Have you tried crab curry before?
No, this is the first time. I mean, crab curry, yes, in India, yes.
Oh.
But this is Sri Lankan style.
Wow.
Let me taste the vada first.
Ooh, we got more food coming.
Puttu.
Puttu?
Puttu.
Puttu?
Not the pottu, she said pottu. Hi. This is Puttu.
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 What is it like exactly like?
This is Puttu. Wow.
All the food is already here, guys.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to try crab curry. First time in my life. I've never tried crab curry, so I don't know how it's gonna taste. I will share that with you guys. My favorite is goat curry. I love it.
Take it in my hand.
Wait, there's 2 crab?
Yeah.
Oh. It's good? I just need a little piece.
First is good.
Okay. I don't think I will like.
Like she says, they're very spicy.
so spicy. My God. If I come to India, goat curry will be my favorite food to eat.
Nandu kolambu semmeya irukku. Very tasty. Let me taste with the sudhi.
Wow. It's totally different. You can tell like this is really a Sri Lankan style.
Yep, it's good.
Yeah, super good. So goat curry, this is like a home style.
Yeah, it's so good, guys. I like it. The spicy is the same like a. Do you feel like it's something like a Tamil style?
When I went to India, that spice level, oh my God, you feel like you wanna eat more.
And the Idiyaapam is so good, guys.
Also, the goat curry, I can taste the coconut in there. Like there's the coconuts and other spices. It's totally different comparing to Indian goat
food.
curry. Yes, it's totally different. But you can tell that this is like a home style.
And also a lot of curry leaves, right?
A lot of curry leaves. The food is really great. I couldn't handle crab curry. I'm not a crab curry person. So since you're a chef, cook, this is like the first time.
This is the first time I'm tasting. But you know what I can say? It's similar to Tamil Nadu style food.
Really?
Yeah, similar to. You don't feel like the spicy level?
The spicy, yes. Similar to Tamil.
We do use a lot of curry leaves. Because you know what is the another thing too? Because the chef is also Sri Lankan Tamil.
Sri Lankan Tamil. So
yeah,
it's
Sri Lankan
like
Tamil.
So many
Tamil Nadu. Yeah.
Wow.
We speak same language. Maybe our culture is same.
Do you do? I can tell that she use a lot of
coconut and a lot of curry leaves.
How do you like your crab?
Let me taste it and let you know the second one.
One thing I like about my husband, he's open to try every food. I don't know if you guys watched the video when we went to the cruising.
Yeah.
He did try alligator.
அதாவது முதல்ல கறி ட்ரை பண்ணேன், அப்புறம் தவளை கால் ட்ரை பண்ணேன், frog legs and alligator beignet. செம்மையா இருந்துச்சு. It was so good.
It was really good. Alright, so I am gonna try Puttu. It seems like a Puttu. So.
She said Puttu.
Hey, so we are done with the food. Talking to the chef, trying to explain. She was worried, thinking that the food is gonna be super spicy, but it wasn't. Everything it's really.
No, it was spicy, but it's no. We handle more spicy.
Exactly. So. Comparing to the spices food that I have tried, it's okay. I can handle that.
Yeah. So how do you like the Sri Lankan food you're trying for first time?
So all I can say is that they use a lot of coconuts. You can taste coconuts in goat curry. I taste coconut in every food that I test. I think coconut is like the main.
Yeah, they use them most of the
time.
Food. Yeah.
Another thing, I kind of like the other
curry leaves. You see a lot of curry leaves.
Yeah. It's really great. So you test that.
The flavor.
They have spices too, but everything really it's delicious.
Goat curry, yeah, goat curry was good too.
Everything was really great.
Puttu.
It's great to try.
How do you like Puttu and Idiyaapam?
Puttu, it has a coconut inside too as well. So I was just testing coconut, which is good if you mix it with goat curry together. I like that. So it was really delicious. But eating by itself, it was not kind of like it tastes different. But I think you have to mix it up with a little bit of stew.
First time we are trying Sri Lankan food. Yes. That's the video. The title is going to be. Honestly, guys, I'm trying first time Sri Lankan food.
And how did you like it?
It's so good. It's so good. So food was good. If you guys live in San Antonio, guys, give it a try.
Come check it out. This place.
She said you have to order in advance if you want to try Sri Lankan food.
It takes a little bit of time to cook from scratch.
So she doesn't like to do frozen stuff.
Yeah, which
so
is
she wants to
good.
do fresh. So she wants to give like a homemade style It was literally everything was like a homemade style. We really, really love it. I really love it. I hope my wife liked it too.
I love it. Thank you so much, guys, for watch this video.
Yeah.
We're trying our best to post as much video as we can. We just been a little bit busy, but we're trying to catch up and try to like
upload more videos.
Yeah.
And thank you so much.
And for those of you guys who are not subscribing, so subscribe to our channel. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye.